Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will share with you an amazing and special remedies for skin whitening and anti-aging cream. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more video. Now make turmeric anti-aging cream. It is very effective natural cream. 6 add item this cream. Turmeric is also great for removing suntan that makes your skin look dull. Turmeric when applied as a paste works to improve skin health. Turmeric is the most natural remedy used to lighten dark skin and get rid of dark spots effectively without any side effects. Turmeric will always help to improve your skin complexion. This anti-aging cream is very effective. It for use skin whitening and removes dark spots and acne marks 100% works. Ingredient: firstly 2 tablespoons of rice flour, then 1/2 tablespoon of rose water, then 1 to 2 pinches tablespoon of turmeric, then 1 tablespoon of honey, then 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and last 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now these 6 items mix it well. How to store this cream? Store it in an airtight container in refrigerator for up to light and whiten skin complexion. Remove dark spots, marks, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. How to use turmeric cream? Gently massage this cream all over your face and neck in circular motion for about 15 to 20 seconds. You can use this home anti-aging cream 2 weeks for best results. Thanks for watching our video. So please subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the next video. Thanks for watching.